Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news, or rather telenovela news. Now, this is some of the videos that I posted on my TikTok discussing briefly what I have seen or my feeling when it comes to Uthando Nesthembu. But in everything, we wish Ubaba Musa Mseleku a speedy recovery. Please do like, share, and subscribe.
So guys, didn't I tell you? Did I or didn't I tell you Uguti Umangwabe is not going anywhere? Umseleku, guys, is sick, and apparently Umseleku's sickness came in the wrong time as she was about to leave. Kanjena, what about every day? Every day, and I get about to leave. Kining mo elong hore ki leave. Ngeke shem. Umangwabe akayindawo. Umangwabe, we gave her excuses and saying, no, Ugo is going to divorce. She's waiting for her house to be complete in. House, yes, Mosula, guys, Mosula. If it means to move them cooking, you will move them cooking. Like Mosula. But Ukel, no. Like, and if you want some funny, regardless of which is the father of your children, you are going to be supportive, you're going to be there, but you are still going to move on. You are going to be supportive. You are going to be there. There's no excuse for her to stay in that yellow house because Umseleko is sick and in hospital. I don't know, guys. Njajeng. But nah, I get happy Mangwabe. The reason that she gave, I'm not happy with the reason that Ugo gave. I think Ugo is not going to go anywhere. We must just make peace with the fact that Uguti, this is going to be her song. Or she's getting paid Uthando Nesthembu to sing this song. Because Kemo,